Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, based on the title, we are doing an unboxing. Now every holiday, including my birthday, since last year, we started last year, this year, 1 year to the date, I decided to gift myself something. Last Valentine's Day we did the MCM clutch. For my birthday we did the Gucci sandals. For Christmas, we did the Marc Jacobs mini tote. And for this Valentine's Day, I went with jewelry. I went to Shop Gold, or GLD. That's what I pronounce it, GLD, because that's what I'm spelling. But everybody says gold, so I'm assuming it's gold. GLD, gold, yeah. So Shop GLD, see them all over Instagram. They're based here in Miami, Hialeah to be exact. That's where my package shipped from. It did come by UPS. I've left the box in the room. I'm so sorry, because I've been opened it and wore it. I had it on Valentine's Day, obviously. But it came by UPS. Shipping was extremely fast. It got delivered on Sunday. Valentine's Day was Monday. Okay, I so proud, so proud. I even contacted them on Sunday and asked them, or was it Saturday? I contacted them on Saturday because I placed my order, I want to say Friday, or was it Thursday? Either Thursday or Friday. I placed my order and got it on Sunday, but I contacted them on Saturday, I believe. I'm so sorry. And I asked them on their little chat thing, their support thing, if I place an order right now, would I get it by Monday? And the person who I was talking to said, unfortunately, because they don't work on the weekends, which I'm surprised I got a response, because it was one of those quick chat things, the quickest I would get it by would be the Tuesday, which is still really quick, because for people who don't work on the weekends, that's like 1 day turnaround. So I like that. I like that. Picasso.
What's this? Okay, I like it. Picasso.
I'm sorry. If you get it, you get it. Anyways, so I got myself something. I also got my husband something for Valentine's Day, but this one I had to get for me. What I was hoping was that each thing came in its own individual packaging, but it did not. Everything came in one box, in one zippered pouch, but each individual Ziploc bag. Okay, that makes sense. All right, so I got 3 items in total: a necklace for him, a bracelet for him, and a bracelet for myself. Yeah, the bracelet I picked, the one that I picked out, I don't remember the name of it, so I'll flash it throughout this video and it'll be in the description with a link. The bracelet that I got, it's a rose gold mix to match my watch band and my watch here. I've been looking for a silver and pink, or rose gold and silver, or something of the two combination to match this, because I love this band. I have a gold one as well, but I love this band. I love silver on me because I feel like gold looks gorgeous on me. Honestly, anything looks good on me, but I prefer silver on me because I feel like gold blends in too much. Silver stands out. Like with my nose ring, I think there's makeup on it right now, so you can't really see it. But like my nose ring, for example, I feel like the silver pops more than the gold does. And I prefer a hoop than a stud. That's a whole nother story. Anyways, this is the box that it comes in. Gorgeous, black and gold. The gold shop. You open it. The first thing you're gonna see is the zippered pouch. Underneath, okay, that's the zippered pouch. Underneath the zippered pouch, you do get the certificate, the warranty, the lifetime warranty. And I actually didn't open it. I want to open it on camera. Probably the only thing I'm opening on camera, right? It comes sealed like so, and then we're just gonna pop her open. There you go. And then that's the card, the back of it. It says GLD gold. And here is the authenticity and lifetime guarantee. Yeah, and I'm so happy it comes with that, because a lot of these companies, these jewelry companies that are like on Instagram and stuff, I've never seen any of them with a warranty card, so I love that for me, period. Okay, This card certifies our jewelry complies with the Jewelry Vigilance Committee standard. This card guarantees your jewelry purchase for life and entitles you to a one-time replacement or repair for the identical item or an item of equal value should we no longer carry the guaranteed piece. Please see our website for a full explanation of this guarantee as well as details regarding our custom-made jewelry repairing / pricing policies. Retain this card. You must present this card with any defected item to be eligible for the guarantee. So if something breaks or a stone falls out or whatever, I can take this card with, I'm assuming with my receipt or something, I don't know. But as they said, everything is on the website. All right, so that's that. Onto the fun stuff. So again, it comes in this gorgeous leather pouch. Like, I love this pouch. I'm gonna save this for when I travel. I throw my jewelry in this. It's literally perfect. Like, all right. So it comes in a little Ziploc with the GLD logo on the front. Very cute. The bracelet that I got for my husband, his also came in one of these, and then the necklace came with a little pickaxe on there instead of the GLD. Why? I don't know. I don't work there. So this is the bracelet that I got. It is in the rose gold and silver. I have to look up. I don't remember what it is. I have to look it up. I'm sorry. But I'm horrible. But that is her there. I got it in 7 inches. I didn't want it too big. I didn't want it too tight. I feel like this is perfect. If I had gotten the 6 inch, it would have been a mess. Okay, what I did to figure out my wrist size was I got a measuring tape, you know, a regular fabric measuring tape that you use to measure your bust and your waist and your hips and your thighs and all that stuff. Measured my wrist, 7 inches. Same thing for my husband, 7 inches, and that's why I went with 7. I think his was 7.5. I don't remember, but yeah. Now on the bracelet itself, it does come with the GLD clasp. See if you can, there you go, perfect. It comes with a GLD clasp on there. This gave me a warm time to put on. Like this, honey, secure. Okay, let me see if I can unlatch it for you on cam. All right, so that's it there, right? You flip the side like so. Oh, got it. So you flip this, oh, should pop right open. You flip the top, focus please, thank you. You flip the top and that's that. It slides out of this little chamber right here. So to put it on, you have to slide it back into the chamber or put it onto, it's a whole thing. You put it inside the chamber, clasp it down and then lock it and it stays secure on there. I'm going to put her on so you can see it. That's her on my wrist. If it would ever focus, that would be great. It's focusing on me. I know I'm the main attraction. I know I'm like your favorite person in the world. That's who you want to see. But oh, locked it on first time's a charm. That's how loose it is on my wrist. Very much like a good amount of wiggle room, so it's not super tight and it's not going to fall off if I'm doing all of this. You feel me? Like it's not going anywhere. Right? I absolutely love it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. This I think was the perfect gift for myself. It's not focusing for you guys. There you go. She is the lighting in here is not doing it any justice. She is gorgeous, and that's it next to my watch. See the same silver and gold that I was going for there. Yeah. After the Super Bowl, if you saw the Super Bowl halftime show, if you didn't, I feel bad for you. I watched it and the millennial in me was dying. But after the show, I did get a text from Shop GLD, I'm gonna say GLD, that let me know that the necklace that Snoop was wearing, you could get it from them too. That I thought was like really, really cool. And they work with a lot of big name rappers and stuff. So yeah. But that's it on my bracelet. That's it for my Valentine's gift to myself. I'm definitely going to keep this tradition going. I feel like I want something from Versace next time. So we'll see how that goes for my birthday. But yeah, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. I'll definitely put the direct link to this bracelet in the description bar. So if you want to get one for yourself, check that out. I'm short-breathed, shorter breaths. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Until next time, peace sign and Kissy face. Bye.